how to contact WhatsApp customer service. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can contact WhatsApp customer service, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now one thing you have to understand is that you cannot directly call WhatsApp because WhatsApp has billions and billions of users worldwide, so they cannot attend to everybody. They're not a service providing site, they're just a free application that runs, so you can't directly call WhatsApp or Meta and tell about your issues. You can't really do that. But what you can do is you can actually give your customer support. You can write in a form and submit it to WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is definitely going to see those. For that, you can simply try to open your WhatsApp here and then make sure to tap the profile icon from the top right, scroll down a bit further below and look for the option called help, and then just tap on it. Now right here you'll find the option called contact us. Before you try to contact them, look at the help center if there are any issues that you are facing, and that can be solved from here, because right over here you should be able to see all the temporarily and common problems here. Otherwise you can just go to contact us. Now all you have to do is just type in how you can help, so you can just go ahead and then basically type in whatever else you want, and you can see we will respond to you in a WhatsApp chat. That's how they are basically going to respond to you. So you can just tap the next option and you should be able to go ahead and then find them as well. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically contact WhatsApp customer service. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.